Why we need Google Trends? Google Trends help to find out the best trending topic or most popular keywords for your YouTube channel or the blogs or articles or startup a business. Once we know the best popular trending keywords, we can release the YouTube video as per the topic so that automatically we get good reviews and good views through YouTube channel or some other topics, because mostly people search for the topic. So this Google trend will help you to have. Let's start. First of all, we need to type in Google search Google trend so that you guys will see on this first URL Google trend. So here once we click, it will show the home page how it's look like. On the top there is a country called UAE, so we can select any country. So example, if you want to select USA and find out which topic is more relevant there, we can choose from here. So now I am choosing UAE. So here this is a format, it's showing that I choose the topic is travel. So travel, so many search views are showing here per day, how many views, how many people are searching for travel. So this location mostly people are searching for travel. In Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ajman, those places it will trending, but Dubai is more trending. So mostly people searching the keyword topic is called Georgia in Dubai. So try to release Georgia related topics, then we our view will getting more. So try to always search which topic is more people are searching in Google Trend. We need to create a topic for that particular subject so that our view will increase automatically. So this side they will show you the keywords. What are the relevant keywords you want to add in the description title, or we need to create, or we need to make a video. So I going to another topic. Now I choose travel so that you guys will see there, like now I am typing another world food. So what kind of food mostly people are searching in UAE? Now I am choosing USA, United American United States. So there the peoples are mostly searching this kind of this places in USA. They having most searching about this types of food near to me, like that. So many related keywords they are typing. So see the food on the right side, baby food, right food, and organic foods. So many food related topics they are searching. So try to make a video for this topic related keyword so that our view will increase faster. Always try to find out the Google trend, which keyword and which topic is mostly people are searching for that. Like that, you need to release the videos so our video get more popular, more faster. If you not release a video without popular or without more searching times, then your video will not get a good review. So try to always try to put the right keyword. I'm putting so many examples. Just think about what kind of video you want to release. So just type down about the topic, the Google trend show you how many people are searching. This is good, or now I'm searching for job in UAE. So how many people are viewing per day in UAE? I'm choosing some other country, Canada. How many people are searching in Canada about job? That's Google trending. What are the keyword? What are the topics? What are the job offer they have? Mostly everything it will showing on job affair. There mostly people are searching for remote job because of COVID. Because of COVID, they are typing remote jobs. So they are typing, that's a trending topic in Canada. So see part-time jobs in Canada and remote jobs, experiments job. So like that, so many jobs needs registration of needs. So like that, the Google Trend help everything. Google Trend show you mostly people typing the keyword, mostly which topic the peoples are spending more time. So it will help you to increase, and it will help you to more to check out and how to release videos. So please try to do Google Trends and know that which keyword is more important, which topic is more important. Like that, try to make videos and get achievements. Thank you guys. You guys will enjoy. Try to do this and let me know the what it will help or no in the comment section. Thank you. Subscribe.